Hello, family. Hello, friends, loved ones, wherever you are, brothers and sisters, fathers, daddies, and mommies. Good evening to everyone. If today is your first time, please subscribe. So today is your first time to come across my video, please subscribe, like the video, and help me to share it. For the old subscriber, I want to say very big thanks to you, and for the new one, same thanks to you all for your good job. So my family, friends, and loved ones, what I carry come today, it gets is strong the matter. Since I did this country now, first time to see or first time to hear, to see and to hear person wey go say e born half caste, e no get paper, e born for oyibo, dem no give am paper. I say when this sister dey tell me this thing, not be on Tuesday, yeah, this week on Tuesday, when she dey tell me how she take get belle for the oyibo, after all when she don born, later the oyibo come say no be im get pikin. After the oyibo say no be im get pikin na, una know na. So my family, friends, and loved ones, as the girl come born the pikin na, the man come say no be im get am, e no dey sign. Una know wetin that be na. If e no sign put, dem no gree give the pikin paper, dem no gree the mother. The girl no get choice. He say he do. The man say no, he know is no. Na Duro come give this girl paper 1 year when she come give her baby. So as we dey talk now, this girl, she no know say na her friend na he go bite am for where the oyibo dey. Based on say na friend na, based on say na friend, so it's like how she say how the girl take get the guy the oyibo number, she no know. You know, as they be friend now, if the man come greet am that time, the friend they always dey together. So na so the man take carry the the matter. Oh, say that at the end of it now, the pikin, the man not really sign put for the baby. So the girl say she come dey carry her pikin dey go. No problem. Aduro come dey care for her. Paper wey Aduro give her now, he come give her pikin. So they come dey like that. As things dey go now, when God, you know, say in life, if some of us they do things to our fellow ones, we will just say, we don't dey on top. They don't know say God's time is the best. And this man, when he reject this pikin, he go buy gift, he go send and go give this lady. He go buy something, he go send and go give this lady. But to come put hand for this pikin, he no gree do am. So as e come be, na so the girl come dey, e no come bother. Not quite long now, the oyibo come call am, tell am say, the pikin no be own. Your friend say no be only him one you dey follow. So that is the reason. But now come say, okay, when the girl come tell me, I say, you go tell the man, make go do DNA test. From there, the truth will come out. So now wetin she come say, she go call the man and make she tell the man. Say, my friend, my family and friends and lovers, una see wetin friend dey do person. Say person dey this country, say he go born half caste, say they will give am, say he go born half caste, he no get document. Me, I never hear am o. I say when I hear am, my head e big, because me, my first daughter na half caste. So me, I think say na so e be. Me, I not know say for this life, they really say life no dey balance. All the name of friend, see wetin friend go do to her fellow ones. E good. For me, it is a very bad thing. If you be friend, you get bad behavior, and you get wicked heart, you are equal to a winch. Me, I dey call that kind of person a winch. So my families and friends, loved ones, please, if today is your first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the old subscriber, again, thank you. For the new ones, I say thank you. See you on for the next video. Thank you. Bye.